everyone, I'm Xiaoji. Today I'll take you to visit the actual operation site of Zhongsheng drilling rigs. Take an in-depth look at the performance and working condition of Zhongsheng full hydraulic drilling rigs. Behind me, it is Zhongsheng 800 full hydraulic core exploration drilling rig, which adopts 10 high and low gear variable motors. The maximum torque can reach 1,800 Nm. The maximum rotation speed is 1,400 RPM. The stroke is 2 meters. The drilling angle is from 40 dag to 90 dag, and it adopts 5 meters drilling rod by the lifting force and 18-ton 6-cylinder engine with strong power, equipped with dual operating consoles. Can be high and low gear remote control walking, with air-cooled and water-cooled dual cooling systems. After the end of the practical work, all bosses have any questions, you can leave a message, private message me. More details, please pay attention to the drill set network jitterbug number and public platform.